Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change payment method on iCloud storage. First, let's go to our settings and select your Apple account name at the top. In here, you should be able to see the payment and shipping option, so tap on that. And remember that changing the payment method here, it will also change the ones for your Apple purchases. So if you want to change by adding a payment method, just click on Add Payment Method right here and enter your details and click on Done at the top right. If you want to change the default payment method and basically change the payment method when you pay for the iCloud storage, it says here that the default payment method is at the top, so we can click on Edit at the top right. And for example, the default payment method you want to set to is at the bottom. Just simply hold on these three bars beside it and drag it on top like that and click on Done at the top right. And that would make your default payment method the one at the top, and you will be charged there when paying for your iCloud storage. And you can then also remove payment methods if you want to avoid being charged on that. Just click on Edit at the top right, click on the minus icon, and click on Remove. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.